So I thought I'd do a little guide to MeMode because it's one of my favourite features of the Insta360 X4. They've updated it on the X4. It was on the X3, but they've added, like they've done with a lot of the features on the new X4, some extra frame rates, made it a lot more capable. And it's one of my favourite features because it doesn't require any post-processing and you still get that invisible selfie stick look. So let me show you exactly how to get that look and what sort of look you can get from this footage. So basically what you do, you go into the camera menu, you press the little record button there and it brings up the different modes you can shoot with. You press single lens mode, top right, and then select MeMode there. And then if you press where it says 4K 30, you can change the ratio at the top there. So you can have it in 16:9 or 9:16. Then you can do the resolution up to 4K 30 frames per second, 25/24, or we've got 2.7K, all the resolutions from 24 frames per second all the way up to 120 frames per second, which looks really, really good actually. You've also got 1080p as well if you want to shoot in 1080p for a smaller file size, but I tend to shoot 4K 25 or 30 frames per second depending on what sort of content I'm shooting. We'll put it on 30 just for this. And then you can come out, you press the field of view that you want. You've got max, you've got action, ultra, or de-warp. And then new for this year, along with the 4K resolution, because it's only 1080p on the X3, we've got 4K 30, you can actually change the lens mode to face forward or backwards by flipping this little button here. So we can face it forwards or we can face it towards you to get that invisible selfie stick look. So the next thing you have to do is put your camera on a invisible selfie stick. I'm using this Action selfie stick. I just really prefer this one. One, it's stronger and stiffer because it's made out of carbon fiber. It's also a lot lighter than the other one I find, and it's got the reinforced 1/4 inch on the bottom for adding it to different accessories, and that really helps, especially if you're using it sort of an action sort of scenario if you like, so hence the Action selfie stick. Basically what you do is extend this out then on the camera, hold it out parallel to the ground, so just hold it out straight in front of you, and then wherever you walk, walking around vlogging like this, keep the camera in front of you and it will remove the selfie stick in the app, in the software. You'll get that invisible selfie stick look but with no need for reframing in post-production, and that's why it's probably one of my favourite modes. I think it's great, it looks great, and if you're vlogging with this camera you can have the whole setup with Rode Wireless Go 2 or the DJI mic on there, and you can get great audio with just vlogging, walking, having that sort of invisible selfie stick look. It's like a third person view, somebody's filming you, it does look like the cameraman is floating or the camera is floating in front of you. It's a really great effect and you can only get it with the Insta360 X4. It works very well. So to get your footage, you connect to the app via the camera, you can download it off here, you can then upload it to social media, you can export it to the software studio and edit it further if you want to. There's loads of things you can do, it's very simple. Yeah, the app is great. I'm going to be doing a video soon on the 3 ways to edit 360 footage they've just introduced, 3 new ways, so yeah, make sure you do subscribe if you're new to the channel. But that's MeMode. It's very simple, easy to use. You get that invisible selfie stick, third person look without having any reframing or post-production, so anybody can do it. It really is that easy. So yeah, go and try for yourself. Let me know if you've got any comments down below about any other modes. I'm going to be doing lots more on this camera, updating it. They're going to be releasing new stuff, new accessories as well coming soon, hopefully to test out for the X4, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys, bye.